Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Trust Wallet application in order to launch it on. If you've not downloaded the application yet, go to your app store and download it first. Once you have it, tap it open. This is the first interface of Trust Wallet. If you already have an account, you can tap on I already have a wallet button at the bottom. If you don't, tap on create a new wallet to sign up. Now, review the Trust Wallet Terms of Services and Privacy Policy and tap on I've read and accept the Terms of Services and Privacy Policy box and tap continue at the bottom. It says that you'll need to back up your wallet now. In the next step, you'll see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. If you lose your recovery phrases, then you won't be able to access your wallet. So at the bottom of the page, tap on this box right here that says, I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet, and tap continue. On the next page, your recovery phrases will be displayed. Simply copy the phrase and place it somewhere else safe. After you're done, tap continue. On the next page, verify your recovery phrases by putting them in the correct order. Simply select all of the recovery phrases in the correct order and then tap continue at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for Trust Wallet. Tap on OK and there you have it. Allow Trust Wallet to send you notifications by tapping on Allow. And this is your dashboard for your Trust Wallet. All of the tokens that you have will be displayed on this page. That is how you'll be able to sign up for Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.